Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Basecamp account settings step by step. Updating your account settings allows you to manage your profile, change your password, adjust notifications, update security preferences, and personalize your Basecamp experience. So let's get started. First, sign into your Basecamp account and open your dashboard. Once you're logged in, click your profile picture or account icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen, then select My Profile, Account Settings, or Personal Settings, depending on your Basecamp version. Next, review the available settings. You can update your display name, email address, profile photo, password, time zone, language, notification preferences, and other personal account options from this page. If you want to change your password, open the security section, enter your current password, then create and confirm a new strong password before saving the changes. I mean, using a unique password and enabling additional security features, if available, can help protect your account. After making your changes, click Save, Update, or Apply Changes. Basecamp will store your updated settings, and some changes, such as your new profile picture or notification preferences, may take effect immediately. Finally, review your updated profile to confirm that everything has been saved correctly. If you changed your email address or security settings, you may also receive a confirmation email from Basecamp. And that's it. You now know how to change your Basecamp account settings and customize your account to match your preferences. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.